Hello and welcome to Don J Shave. Today we're going through is looking at some of the tools and starting our shaving journey as we decide to, hey, you know what? I want to start some straight razor shaving. However, I picked up this beauty off of eBay. It's a 100-year-old straight razor, been refurbished, just a gorgeous thing, and I can't wait to use it. But I'm afraid I'm going to slice my face off. What am I going to do? Well, let's definitely not slice her face off on it, but let's take it in steps. Things that'll help you to get going, to be able to work at it and get to enjoy your shave. So here's a typical razors that we all deal with that are out there, kind of an array of different things, okay? I have represented here. There's two different type of straight razors. You know, like I said, the one that, 100-year-old eBay find, they're really awesome. A lot of them are made in, solids in Germany. A lot of them in New York in the United States. You also have Sheffield, England. Now, this particular one I'm throwing in there, okay, because this is one of the new ones. A couple of places they have Dovos that are from Germany. They're really beautiful straight razors. This particular one here, though, this one's a gold dollar, right? These are actually made in China. And let me tell you, I've used those. I use these, and I use the Dovos, and these are awesome. I go ahead and I hone my own blades and everything, and I find these just as good as the more expensive ones. Now, I'll put a link on the bottom. In actuality, if you go to frankshaving.com, you can actually pick these up for under $5 a piece right now. Cheapest place you'll ever find it on the internet. And if you use Don J as a code, you'll get 20% off all your purchase on Frank Shaving. It takes about, a week and a half to 2 weeks to get it because it'll come straight from China. Frank's a great guy to deal with. I've been buying from him for, about 18 years, and I've gotten 3 orders just in the last 6 months from him. So, but that's a great razor. So, but getting started, back to that, here's another example. So the different things, we all know we got electric, this is a foil, you also have the rotary, you have the typical cartridge, disposable razors. You have the double-edged safety razors. There's different types there. One of my other videos tells you the difference, whether they're, the butterfly or 3-piece, 2-piece, okay? That's actually another really good find off of Frank's website. That's a stainless steel, high-polished razor. He's got it on his site on sale right now for $50, and then you get another 20% off of that. So $40 for a high-polished stainless steel razor that'll last, I don't know, through your great-grandson's lifetime. Definitely a nice find. This here is what they call a shavette. And in there, it opens up and you put a blade in there. You snap your double-edged blades in half, and half will go into those in most of those. Actually, this is a feather, so it has its own specific blades that go into it. Very nice, okay? But back to what we're talking about, though, is it's like, okay, I picked this up or picked up another one of these up. This doesn't have the blade in it right now. But it's like, how do I get started? Or what do I do? And you're thinking about it, well, I know right here, because I've been using this little double-edged safety razor, I'm a little shy about getting right underneath my nose. I'm afraid of cutting my lip, or hitting my ear. Well, start off small. Start off and practice with it. A lot of times, as I've gotten older and stuff, I tend to I really like using a straight razor, but I'll usually get it on my face, then down in my neck, under the chin. But by then, I'm starting to get nervous, or caffeine's kicking in or something, to where I start to shake a little bit. And then I transfer and I finish my shave with a double-edged safety razor to go through the tight areas, so I don't cut myself. But I still enjoy, because I feel the straight razor gives me a closer shave than anything that's out there. So good to do. Practice there, and then switch to that. Now, if you're very new to the double-edged safety razors, you're going to be kind of the same feeling. I don't want to cut myself on the nose or the lips. Okay. Go back to the old trusty electric razor before you start, and hit those areas real quick that might be a concern to you. Or go back to your old cartridge or just a typical blade like that, and get those, and then get a nice shave off your double-edged safety razor or your straight razor after that. So take it in pieces and take the enjoyment out of it, or add the enjoyment to it. So over time, you'll get used to using the straight razor. After you go shaving your cheeks for about 20, 30 times, then you'll get the feel of it, and it becomes like it's just part of your hand, and you'll be able to shave just fine with it after that. So do that and enjoy that. Find these. These are really awesome. The internet's just full of these. You know, once they came out with the double-edged safety razors, they quit using these, and all these grandpas, you know, had them sitting in their cabinets forever. And you can find some great steals on these, and just beautiful, beautiful razors you can pick up and clean them up, reuse them. They work really nice. So I hope that would help you out to enjoy a good shave, and try out the straight razors. You'd be glad you did. Thank you for supporting my channel today. Please like and subscribe down below, and I'll check you out on the next one. Thank you very much.